What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jaxx. Gonna go over Solana. It's currently sitting at $20, up 1.5 on the day. Same market cap 8.28 billion. 24-hour volume 278 million. So we're gonna hop into the charts. I was looking at in the Discord. I do daily analysis on Solana with many other coins in the Discord. Only $10 per month. At a leaning diagonal, pulling back in a wave 2, and we've seen a strong bounce. So potentially we can be pushing up in the wave 3. Especially if we reach the minimum target, which is the one extension at 20.79. Normal target is the 1.618, all the way up at $22. If Sol were to roll, let's say we roll over, we lose this wave too low, then we could come down and create a lower low. But as of right now, we have a nice 1-2 setup and potentially starting to push up in a wave 3. So if we can see continuation, then we can push up to this trend line at about 21.20. There's also a nice inverse head and shoulders, left shoulder head, right shoulder. So if you take a measurement of the neckline, should be about right there, and that breakout would take you all the way up to see, it will take you right up to that trend line. So do watch that. We've already broken out of the pattern. Let me show it to you here on the daily time frame. So we have this massive falling wedge that we broke out, we retested, we started to bounce, and that nice inverse head and shoulders. So there's your neckline right there, and we started to break out. So you take that measurement, take it to your point of breakout, and it could take so all the way up to 21.96, and you can see all that resistance right there. Resistance, 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 support, resistance, massive level for Sol. So that's your potential next target. If we roll over, it is what it is. After we complete this 5-way move and we see a larger wave 2 pullback, I'll definitely look for my first entry for a long position. As of right now, we're still kind of on the fence. I am leaning towards a bullish move, but anything can happen. But once we complete that 5-way move, then that's more confluence of a breakout to the upside. And then basically what will happen is we'll complete that move to the upside, we'll pull back, and that's when we'll enter our trade to ride it up. See that big juicy wave 3. All right, gang, that's what I'm looking at for Solana. Signal will be given in the Discord when we enter the trade. It's only $10 a month. You can sign up to the Patreon and spend $10 every single day. Can receive a 14-day free trial if you sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN for all my Canadian US traders dying for an exchange. 20% deposit bonus in your futures account for my subscribers only. Deposit $100, get $20, $1,000, get $200. Pretty juicy free money right there. And you get access to my Discord, 14-day free trial, or $10 a month. Sign up to the Patreon. Daily analysis for many coins, my exact trade setups, crypto news, member profits, how to all plays, as well as Forex trades and analysis. As you can see here, over 2,000 members in the Discord. Basic access is free. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. All links in the comments down below. If you do sign up to BITUNIX, just email me or sign up email, and check out my full length tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.